Hello YouTubers. I've decided to paint a tiger today, and it will be in acrylics. I know that I have a face for radio and not for video, but I thought it was about time to discuss the nature of the video in person. And I will be using an assortment of colours, and I will discuss the video as I go so that you can see the step-by-step procedure that I use. There might be a few, or quite a few, hesitations or gaps in my line of talking because I'm not used to speaking on a video like this. So I hope you will forgive me, and it may sound a little bit disjointed and sometimes without a continuity that it requires, but I will endeavour to do my best, and then you can comment in the description if you wish as to the performance, whether it be good or bad, or things that I can improve, and that would be most helpful to me and will in the future give a better flow for the video. So without wasting any more of your valuable time, I will move ahead with the painting. So we start off with the drawing, and I set about painting in the stripes, which will give me a foundation for the future colour of the tiger. Make it a lot easier to see where the colours actually go once the stripes are finished. I'm working on an A4 sheet of paper, which is Fabriano 300 GSM multimedia paper. I find this a good paper for acrylics. Of course, it can be used for gouache and watercolors. I'm using acrylic today, and only about 3 or 4 colors: yellow ochre, gold oxide, yellow, green, and a wee bit of black. So you don't need a heap of colors to produce a beautiful painting like this. So I carry on with the stripes and try and get them in as the framework, as each animal has their own stripe characteristic, like a fingerprint. And of course, it's all perfect for the camouflage when they go hunting. As long as I get that foundation in, the rest of the painting will be easy to do. It's just a matter of going around and getting the necessary details in. You can see now that it's coming together very nicely. And it's only taken a few minutes to get it to this stage. Now, the tiger is resting on a rock, so it needs somewhere to sit. So I've put this big rock there to give it the foundation. And I've coloured it green, which sort of matches its surroundings. But you can see the colour of the tiger itself is like a gold and orange mixed together with gold oxide and yellow. So there's only a few colours involved. Now it's the part where I put in the shadows, which makes the light come from the left and gives it a 3D look. You can see how quick it is to paint an animal like this. It's quite good, quite easy really. And so now I've put in a green background. I'll just fill the rest of that in to give it some interest rather than having a stark white background. It suits the colour better. I'm just touching up the rock so that he has some foundation on which to sit, and touching up the white areas at the end of the paws, which are a distinctive feature. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.